Okay, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully the audio sounds good. There's a lot going on outside of me, but we got the mic, so you should hear me nice and clearly. But we're about to be doing a week in my natural hair because I have a lot going on this week, and I'm hoping and praying that my hair actually lasts because I have 2 graduations in Georgia, and I gotta come back home for a Bruno Mars concert, and I can only do my hair once. Well, really, I could do my hair once with one touch up, but I can do my hair one time, so it needs to last, and we're gonna see if it actually does. We're praying that it does. We're doing a braid out. I have a lot of braid out tutorials on my channel and on TikTok and on Instagram. I braid this a lot. It's one of my go-to styles, but I have never tried a product from AG Care, and I have their mousse gel extra firm curl retention. Now, I think this is more so for wash and goes than braid outs, but we're gonna see if I like it. Hopefully I like it, but if we don't like it, we have this one for backup, and I do like this one. So, also, y'all, quick length check. The hair is getting long. I don't know if you guys have seen my hair growth video when I talk about my goals to have longer waist length hair by the end of this year. But updates. Let's go back. This is the hair from the back. Y'all see? Can you see? We're like, it's in the waist right here. Y'all can't even see. The hair's getting so long. But she's definitely waist length at the back, but we gotta get the front to catch up a little bit. So we still have long ways to go. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and do this braid out with some nice cute music. Ari, cue the music, thank you. Also, y'all, I'm watching Feeding Starving Celebrities with Iris Star. Now, I love Quinlan Blackwell and I love Feeding Starving Celebrities, but I don't know much about Iris Star. So y'all watch this episode, let me know if y'all like it, because so far I am. We are done. But is this 8 braids? This look like 8 braids? No, I don't know why I said 8 braids. This is actually, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 braids. And so here's a little 360 on the hair. And honestly, I'm wearing my hair like this for the next 2 days. So Monday, I'm just cleaning and packing. Tuesday morning, we're driving down to Georgia. And then Wednesday, we have graduation. Thursday, we have graduation. So my hair is probably going to be in these braids still from Monday through Tuesday. So if I end up vlogging Monday and Tuesday, we'll see. But if you don't see Monday and Tuesday, it's because my hair is literally going to be in these braids. But I shall see y'all when I see y'all. Editing Ari. Quick thoughts on the moves. I forgot to add this in there. So I think it worked really good. I didn't know what to expect. I feel like it's like it gives kind of shaving cream because it kind of scared me. I couldn't tell. It scared me when I first came out. My hair does feel a little sticky. And that's like where like the gel bit of it comes, but it's a mousse gel, like together. It's a mousse and a gel basically. But the shine, she's there. But based on that, would I use her for a wash and go? No, I wouldn't. So it's a little too thick for me to use for wash and go. So I think this works perfect for a twist out or a braid out. So those are my thoughts on that product. But let's get into the next day. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. I don't think I vlogged last week, just like I said I wouldn't, but let's take down the hair. I'm about to go. The braids still feel really good. They still feel really soft as well. So I will continue using that foam. These are the roots. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna use this oil from Amika. Posted it about a lot of times at this point, but the Superfruit Star Oil. Adding 2 pumps. And let's get to taking video. We are back, guys. I don't know what day here I'm on, but today is Friday, so editing early, let me know what day it is, because I don't know what day it is. Anyways, I've been in the car literally all day. I literally just got home. So my hair has been in this bonnet since last night, and it's time to refresh the hair because tomorrow is the Bruno Mars concert. I need the hair to look great, so even though I want to go to sleep right now because it is 10:16, something down, 10:16 p.m. We gotta do the hair so then I can go to sleep and get set and look great tomorrow. So the hair actually does not look bad at all. It's really just this front piece, but I'm like, might as well just do my entire head because why not? Why not? Usually I don't do it like this, guys, but because I have this concert tomorrow and I might take pictures tomorrow, and I'm also going out after the concert, it needs to look A1 perfect. You know, you never know who I'm gonna see. I never know if I'm gonna get upgraded to Bruno Mars front row, you know? So we gotta just do the whole head again. Plus the humidity was so high in Georgia. I did not expect that because before we went down there, it didn't say anything about rain. When we went down there, it was all rain. So we're just gonna redo the whole head. So let me turn my Bernie Mac and let's get into redoing the hair. Also, like I said earlier, we are using this Crazy Sexy Curl. It will give me that crunch, but honestly, it's humid. Give me the crunch. I need it. Okay, now I did not count how many I put in my head. We'll count in the morning. I'm tired, guys, but the braids look good. I didn't detangle because honestly, it can be fine. It's fine. I'm gonna wash my hair Sunday anyways, or Monday. One of these days, I'm gonna wash my hair. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be better than how it looked previously. So see you guys tomorrow. We're taking the hair down and getting ready for the concert. Okay, bye. Y'all, it's the next day. Leaving for the concert in like 30 minutes, probably even sooner. I don't know, but the makeup is done, and now it's time to do this hair. We're using the sacred oil to take down the braids, and hopefully the hair should be dry. If it's not, I will do nothing. I have no choice but to do nothing. So okay, that's good. So we have nothing to worry about then. Let's speed up this process real quick. And I do have the cast like I was talking about, but it's okay. I feel like it's the last day or the second to last day of this style, so you can have the cast. And I'll just try to like break it a little bit with the oil too. Okay, y'all, this is the hair. She's thoroughly refreshed. She looks really good. Oops. I don't know if I want to keep it as a middle part or do a side part. Honestly, we might end up doing the side part. Regardless, I don't know. We have to get dressed and we have to go. So I'll let you guys see how I'm wearing my hair at the concert. But let me go finish getting ready.